store and shit.
Oh shit, I saw you.
Yeah. What's good with you, nigga?
Shit chillin', man. I just fucking got out the fucking pen, man. Came to my bitch house, man. That bitch arguing, son. I'm twisted, son. What the fuck is good, man?
Fuck that right now. Let's get this money. We on some
That's what's
shit.
up, man.
It is what it is, man.
You trying to get this money, man?
I'm trying to get this money. What you trying to do?
You need to go stick the nigga Rico around the corner. The nigga still around the corner, son?
Fuck, he can get it, man. Fuck.
You got the ratchet in the house, man? Cause I'm twisted. I just fresh home, son. You got that ratchet, son? Oh, Simi, what the fuck's good?
What's good, man? Y'all niggas is reckless, man. Come here, let me holler at y'all niggas, man. Y'all don't need to be doing no dumb shit like that, man. You just came home, man. Let me walk with me, Simi, yo. Night the wild.
Good.
At times you gotta pick yourself up. Who else gon' do it? Don't nobody really give a fuck. But you know you gotta roll with the punches. They throwing body shots, so you better do your crunches. At times you gotta pick yourself up. Who else gon' do it? Don't nobody really give a fuck. But you know you gotta roll with the punches. They throwing body shots, so you better do your crunches. No time to be playing around. Waving a pound is something that will vary these clowns. Laying them down to put you up on lockdown. Might as well be under the ground. Hit the yard pump, eyeing around liars with phony fake smiles. Listening to the war stories and niggas' lifestyles. Some going home, but you got few who await trial. Domestic violence is a hell of a charge now. New niggas from back in the day pitching hard round. Today they work for the ZA, letting tar down. If it ain't social security, it's welfare checks. Girls can't get no money, so they sell they sex. Shorty going hard, trapping off his grandma's steps. He already know this life will be the cause of his death. You could tell what he rep by the rag on his left. It's sad that he get excited when he load up a tech. Damn. At times you gotta pick yourself up. Who else gon' do it? Don't nobody really give a fuck. But you know you gotta roll with the punches. They throwing body shots, so you better do your crunches. At times you gotta pick yourself up. Who else gon' do it? Don't nobody really give a fuck. But you know you gotta roll with the punches. They throwing body shots, so you better do your crunches. I didn't come to steer you wrong, came to let you know what's going on. Know you tired of hearing that same old song, so I'ma be a man and talk with you. I see you going through some problems, so I be the bigger man and walk with you. Don't let them think you nothing as if they could walk through you. They waiting for the change just to put a dart through you. I know your brain is being tortured by all kind of thoughts. You play the game and forcing your name be on the report. You think they stupid in your heart, you know these cops are smart. Niggas' names on the inmate list and top the charts. No, it really wouldn't matter, it wasn't your fault. Just know your position in life and play your part. Listen up instead of dull, you gotta be sharp. You get knocked by the knocks, don't give up the fault. The drought got niggas dry like they throats parched. I spit fire, everlasting Olympic torch. At times you gotta pick yourself up. Who else gon' do it? Don't nobody really give a fuck. But you know you gotta roll with the punches. They throwing body shots, so you better do your crunches. At times you gotta pick yourself up. Who else gon' do it? Don't nobody really give a fuck. But you know you gotta roll with the punches. They throwing body shots, so you better do your crunches.